Today I'll show you how to check and replace a blown fuse on a Maxstone lightning protector for Autogates. Once we open the unit, you can see the main parts inside: the glass fuse, the blue MOV discs for surge protection, and the coils for filtering. If your Autogate stops working after a storm, the first thing to check is this fuse. Here, the fuse is blown, so it needs to be replaced. The correct replacement is usually a 2 to 3 amp slow blow fuse. But for testing, you can use a 2 to 3 amp fast blow fuse, if that's what you have. Before putting in a new fuse, do a quick visual check on the MOVs. If the blue discs are cracked, burnt, or show any black marks, that means they've taken a hit and should be replaced. In this unit, the MOVs look clean with no visible damage, so they are probably still good. Now we can safely solder in a new fuse. After replacing, reinstall the board and test your Autogate. If the new fuse blows again right away, stop and check the MOVs or other parts of the circuit before trying another fuse. And that's it. A simple fix to bring your lightning protector back to life and keep your Autogate safe from power surges.